Washburn University parking lot cameras do not respond to motion, they just pan. So it's amazing that one of them captured the copter crash. Highway Patrol Trooper Dan McCollum knows many of the TPD chopper pilots, and his emotions ran high when he heard the call go out.
I thought that he was in a foot chase because he was given his locations, and then it came across that the Topeka Police Department chopper had crashed. So immediately my heart kind of dropped.
Officers arrived quickly on the scene and let everyone know there were no injuries. McCollum spoke with the pilot of the Robinson R-44 himself.
He was pretty solemn. I saw him there, and I wasn't sure at first. I thought I heard his voice on the radio earlier, and so I immediately went up to him and I said, "So were you on this night?" He said, "Yes, I was a pilot." But you could tell he was shocked.
He says it's a shame the police copter won't be back in the air to have the troopers' backs. As for the footage itself, you can see the copter blades hit a light pole. A matter of a few inches may have been a much more tragic situation.
It was just a very good feeling that everyone was okay.